For decades, Nigerians repeated the same stereotypes about the Igbo. That they abandon home, that they don't build, that their region lacks development. But something remarkable has been happening, quietly, consistently, and intentionally. The Igbo are rewriting the narrative, not through debates, but through visible transformation that can no longer be ignored. When a people decide to build without waiting for permission, for politics, or for national recognition, that is when true development begins. For the Igbo, self-driven growth is not new. It has always been the engine of their economy, their communities, and their culture. But today, something bigger is happening. The Southeast is undergoing a transformation so profound that it directly challenges every stereotype Nigeria has held for decades. For years, stereotypes painted the Igbo as people who only build outside their homeland, as migrants who invest everywhere except in the Southeast, as individuals who have no interest in developing their own cities. But these assumptions were built on outdated snapshots of a region recovering from history, not on present-day reality. Today, the Southeast is witnessing one of the most organic and self-funded urban renewals in Nigeria. Not noisy, not political, not dependent on federal allocations. Abakaliki now shines with some of the most modern corridors and roundabouts in the country. Awka has emerged as one of Nigeria's most upgraded capitals within a decade. Enugu continues to expand through private estates, tech developments, and cleaner city management. Aba is reawakening with road reconstruction and manufacturing revival. Onitsha remains a commercial powerhouse with new residential developments rising around it. This is not a theory. It is a visible reshaping of the Southeast. The Igbo development model is simple but powerful. If the system does not build for you, build for yourself. If support is not coming, create your own support structure. If resources are limited, multiply what you have. This mindset has shaped commerce, real estate, and urban infrastructure in the Southeast. People invest in their hometowns, not only from pride, but from a deep cultural belief that growth must begin at home. Despite visible progress, many Nigerians still cling to outdated beliefs. Why? Because the Southeast's development is quiet, rarely amplified by national media, rarely showcased on national platforms, and because stereotypes are easy to believe until evidence becomes too strong to ignore. Today, the evidence is everywhere. The Igbo are not only building at home, they are redefining what urban development looks like when driven by communities instead of governments. Every new estate, Every dualized road, every thriving market, every street light funded by businessmen or community groups chips away at the stereotype that once defined the region. The narrative is changing because the reality has already changed.